Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and I will show you how you can find your earbuds. So at the first you have to go for the Galaxy wearable and then simply open the charging case of your Buds Pro. And as you can see, here we can find the Find My Earbuds feature. So if you lost one of your earbuds, for example the left one, I will put it right here, and the right one I will hide. I will put it in front of the box. You can use this feature . As you can see, they just put the characteristic sound. If you find that one of them, you can just simply unmute. And right now the sound comes only from the left one. If you put them into the box, they are going to be mute automatically. Of course, you can finally stop it. And as you can see, it was very simple, right? Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.